Just arrived at Utah Motorsports campus, bringing this M2 out to my garage to do some suspension work. Let me know if you have any questions about this BMW M2 competition. I have some suspension secrets, front control arm bushings for M2. I already have this under tray taken off. These are the arms, lower arms we're talking about. Already have the big bolt undone. This is the bushing we're going after. Ball joints loose. Looks like it's it. So my method is going to be some drill bits and a sawzall. There we go. Made a little guy mark on there, but I'm gonna clean up those edges. Yeah, I'm not the most proud of it. Okay. There we go. Just get a 5 mil for this. This is where I realize that the bushing is a little too large. Those retaining bolts do not just allow you to slip the bushing in and then tighten down the retaining flange. It does not work that way. We're gonna put it in the freezer and use the press in the morning. Got the bushings fresh out of the freezer. We got grease in the arms. Got one in the press going already. Got one more to do. Predict the height. So, just a socket to fit over that inner dust cover, like so. We have some retainers on the back side with the plate that will hold it in, but it being pressed in alone is going to be just enough. One thing I wanted to show is all the literature on the arm. On that side, there's a taper which gets that started a couple millimeters. So grease, it's clean. Over to the press. Might be a little crooked. You gotta take your time. We're gonna reposition and go for it.
There we go. Both bushings. Ready for the caps on the back side. So, if you don't know, Loctite, lock washer, or lock nut. If your hardware doesn't have one of the three, oh, overdid it, really overdid it, then you need to make it happen. Vibrations are bad for race cars. So I'm gonna see if this hardware moves the bushing anymore. I doubt it. There we go. It's gonna be our finished piece. Let's go get them in the car. A little bit of grease on this bolt. Go. And if I remember, push this down. There we go. Then we have our ball joint out here. Go with. There we go. Control arms in. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching, and hanging out on my channel. We've got these arms done. We've got another video with this front sway bar, and we also have some end links we're putting on front and rear. Have a good evening. See you next time.